Hello friends, may you all be safe. If you are searching for an article on Google, that is a different matter. Or want to search SRT to text. So you will find many websites in this search. But if you are searching for a movie or software, and also want you to get the download link. For this, I will tell you 2 such tricks. So let's start the video. Actually, Google is a massive American tech corporation. It is famous for its dominant search engine, but also providing a vast ecosystem of internet services, software, and hardware. Type INTEX in the search, and as it appears, written before you, in text, inverted comma, index of, inverted comma, again inverted comma, then movie, or software name. And suppose you want to search for a movie here. Like suppose I want to search for Man of Steel movie. Open the first or second website you find in the search. So, you can see what is written at the top. Index of /data/movies/Hollywood collection/Man of Steel, 2013. This movie is available in MP4 format. And its size also appears to be written as 979M. You can click on it to view it online. And, if you want to download this movie, right-click and click on Save Video As. You will get the option to download this movie shortly. The file name says Man of Steel, 2013. And the Save As type is written as MP4 video file, VLC. You can play it in VLC player, or any other player. Now you just have to click on Save. And if you want to watch it online here, you can watch it too. And now suppose I search for some software here. Like Microsoft Office has to search. Here you will find the index of Microsoft Office. So here you can see that Microsoft Office Pro Plus 2016 is available. And Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2013 is also available. Here you will find the link to download this software. But you will have to purchase a key to activate it. If you open another site below here, you will find Microsoft Office. You will even get Microsoft Office 2021 Pro Plus on this site. And by clicking on it, you can download it directly. But you will have to buy a key to activate it later. This is one way to do it, Google search, and now I'll tell you another way. That you search GitHub.io Open Directory. And the first link that says, direct download almost anything. When you open it, you will see that the layout of Google search has changed. Suppose we have to download Windows 11. You have to select the file type, and choose File Type. Select software/ISO/DMG/games here. As soon as you click on the search icon, many websites will open. Now let's open the first site here. Here you can see that there are many releases of Windows 11. You can download your own Windows 11 by selecting from this. Remember that you will download the ISO image from here. But also remember that you will have to activate Windows 11. And obviously, you will have to buy a key to activate it. Similarly, if you want to search for a movie here, you can also download it. You have to write the name of the movie, and select the file type. In the file type, you will select TV/movies/video. If you search for it, many websites will open. Open the first website here. Here you will find its download link. Open another website, and see if you only get pictures there. Then you should prefer the first website. Scroll down, and you will find a website that says index of /data/movies/Hollywood collection. On this site, you will find the names of all the movies that you can download. So, all the movies starting with the name A to Z are here. Such as Aladdin, which was released in 2019. There is also Avatar, which was released in 2009. So, all the movies that are downloadable from A to Z are available here. As Venom 2018 exists. You can also download The Hobbit: The Battle of the Five Armies, 2014. These are all the movies you can download. As I click on the Rampage 2018, then another page will open from where you can download this movie. Rampage was released in 2018 and its size is 931 m. You can watch this movie online by clicking on it, or right-click on it and click Save Video As. So, here you can now save this movie. This is how you can do Google's perfect search. I have told you these two methods. This site has this link here. If you type this link, and press enter, this Google layout will open. I will write this link and all the things I have mentioned before in the description. You can copy it from there, and use it. I hope you liked these two Google hacks. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.